grilled sweet corn stirred up with 3 cheeses, mayo, sour cream, seasoning, and garlic. This is for all you party hosting people out there. We've got a fabulous cheesy baked corn dip. This party dip recipe is the best ever. I want you to remember it the next time you've got people coming over for a party, for movie night, for a tailgate, for game day. It is so delicious. Let me show you how to make it. To begin, corn. You're gonna need 6 ears of corn for the recipe. I shuck the ears and then rinse them under cool water to remove the excess silk. Then drizzle the cobs with olive oil, rub it in, and head to the grill or barbecue. Grill is preheated to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. We're grilling the corn so the kernels brown. Just keep flipping the ears, and then when it's done, back to your workstation. Now grab a bundt pan. Seriously? Wait till you see this trick. The cobs go onto the bundt pan, then a sharp knife to cut the kernels off the cobs goes right into that bundt pan. No kernels flying everywhere. Everything stays in the pan. We're gonna set the corn to the side for a moment. Before we assemble, 3 little side steps. First, let's preheat our oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. We need a seasoning mix, so a small bowl, we're adding 1 tablespoon of chili powder, a tablespoon of ancho powder made from spicy dried poblanos. If you can't find it, add an extra tablespoon of chili powder, add a teaspoon of smoked paprika, half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, stir to combine. Also queso, which is cheese. We're using cotija, a traditional Mexican favorite. We need 1 cup grated for the recipe. It's a crumbly cheese similar to feta, which you can use if you can't find the cotija. Now easy, we stir everything together and we bake the dip. Into a large bowl, 2 8-ounce packages of cream cheese at room temperature, 2 cups of Monterey Jack or Tex-Mex cheese blend. We're gonna add only 1 cup into the bowl. 1 cup of grated cotija, half a cup of sour cream, half a cup of mayo. Grab a spatula, we're gonna stir everything together, push firmly to mush up that cream cheese. Then add 1 small yellow onion diced, 2 garlic cloves finely diced, a sweet red pepper diced, a bird's eye pepper, which is very spicy. I seeded it, finely diced, and then add that pepper in if you like heat. Sprinkle with the seasoning mix. We're gonna stir, and then we're gonna add all the corn and stir 1 more time. Let's spill the dip mixture into a large cast iron skillet. Smooth it out in the pan, then top with the remaining Monterey Jack. We're gonna transfer to a preheated oven. We're gonna bake for 25 minutes or until the dish is baked and bubbly. When the dish comes out of the oven, that bubbling will continue, so let the pan sit for 5 minutes. Then give the skillet a squeeze of lime, plus a sprinkle of chopped cilantro and chopped green onion. Finish with a sprinkle of more crumbled cotija. Seriously, just put it out at your next party and watch it disappear in record time. So tasty. Full recipe is up at weekendатthecottage.com. When you're visiting our website, please subscribe to it. Look for this video on our dedicated YouTube channel. You can subscribe to it as well. And then when a party snack is this sensational, take a picture of it, post it on your favorite socials using hashtag weekendатthecottage on Pinterest, Instagram, and Facebook. It's a cheesy baked corn dip. And I am going in for a bite. Look how cheesy and stringy and creamy. How delicious. Seriously, it really, really is. Enjoy. Party on, right on.